Hey, I'm Tracy. Welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my sweet, tangy, smooth lemon curd cake filling. That smells so good. And of course, the most vital ingredient to this are fresh lemons. None of that bottled store-bought stuff. Now, when I juice lemons, I juice a lot of lemons. And I pack them in little containers like this and stick them in the freezer for future use. Then I don't have to juice lemons every time I make this. Now, we could do it the old-fashioned way. That takes way too much time. So, I'm going to use my new juicer. Thank you to Comfee, who sent me this mixer to try out, and I rather like it and I can't wait to show you how I use it. But before I ever juice the lemons, I want to take a thin layer off the very outside of the peel. That's called the zest. Right here I have a microblade. It works really well to zest those lemons. Just gently rub it on there. For this recipe, I will use the zest of 4 lemons, which is about a heaping quarter cup of lemon zest. I'm going to go ahead and zest the rest of these lemons and freeze the zest for later also. My kitchen is going to smell so good after I'm done zesting these. Next, I'll take the zested lemon and I'm going to cut off the peel. Now let's get to juicing! I'm so excited to show you this slow juicer. It works so well and so fast. Take out the little plunger and I'll put the lemon in the little cup they have up top. And then just tip it in. I'm pretty sure this is a safety feature so little hands don't get juiced. And there's the juice coming out one spout and the pulp coming out the other spout. I'll go ahead and stick all my lemons in. Oh, look at all that lovely juice. This little juicer did a great job. And once we got the most delicious and vital ingredient, the lemons, I'll go through the rest of the ingredients. We have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. That's about 1 cup. 10 eggs, and we'll separate those later. 3/4 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice. Your lemon zest. 2 tablespoons warm water. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. And 1 pack of unflavored gelatin. The first thing I will do is separate these eggs. I want 7 egg yolk and 3 whole eggs. Once those eggs are separated, I'm going to put the butter and the sugar in my mixer. I'm gonna whip it together. Then I will add the lemon zest and the lemon juice. It will look a little curdled at this point, but that's okay. Then with the mixer going at slow speed, I'll add the eggs 1 or 2 at a time until they are fully incorporated. After those eggs are all incorporated, I'm going to prepare the gelatin mixture. Here I have the 2 tablespoons of warm water and the pack of gelatin. Just sprinkle that gelatin over the water and give it a quick little stir. I don't want it to set up quite yet. Last, I'll add the salt and gelatin. Mix it up one more time. Then I'll pour that mixture into a glass bowl. Over on the stove, I have a little water boiling in a pan. I'll just set that bowl right on top of it. And as it stirs on this double broiler, the butter will start to melt and the eggs will start to cook. The mixture will smooth out nicely. And I whisk it constantly until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And while the curd is still quite warm, I'm going to run it through a fine mesh sieve. I'm looking to strain out all that lemon zest so we have a very smooth curd. This will take a little bit of your time, but it is so worth it. Delightful. I'll put the curd in the fridge for about an hour. Here I've got a lemon cake. I'm going to put a buttercream border to hold that delicious lemon filling on the inside. Ooh, that goes in nicely and smooths out beautifully. Stack the cake up, give it a quick crumb coat, and chill it in the fridge. Then I'll put a final coat of buttercream. Put some little rough ice design in there. Then I took that same lemon curd, added a little water to it to make it a little more runny, and dripped it right along the edge. Then with those egg whites, I made some meringues. Stick those right on top. I love meringues. They are one of my favorite desserts. I made 2 trays of these and totally ate one all by myself. I'll sprinkle some extra lemon zest there on top and add a slice of curled lemon. And now it's time to cut the cake and see the beautiful inside. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I appreciate Comfee for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to know more about their product, there is a link down in the description box. Also, if you liked watching me do a recipe, give me a thumbs up or a comment so I know to make more of these. See you next time. Bye.